Hello Raghav.
Hello ma'am.
How are you?
I'm feeling fine.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
We are welcoming you as a Pride student of VMC Noida Sector 4. So here we are with Raghav. Now Raghav, just wanted to know what is your feeling, how you're feeling from inside, and what is your parents, how your parents are feeling.
I'm feeling very happy. My parents are also very proud of my result. Like I performed very well in the session 1 of JEE Mains and I hope to do so in future examinations as well.
ओके ग्रेट. सो अब हम राघव की जर्नी सुनेंगे. राघव से ही विल टेल अस कि हाउ वाज हिज जर्नी, अप्स एंड डाउन्स, कैसे सारी चीज़ों में उसने ओवरकम किया, क्या एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए कैसे प्रिपरेशन करी, एवरीथिंग ही विल लेट अस नो. लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम राघव. सो राघव, हाउ यू स्टार्टेड?
So I started from VMC in 8th. 8th was online, then I came to VMC Sector 4 Noida in 9th and 10th, and from there I started my journey here. So initially in 11th when I came, my marks were not very high. I would score average marks, and then I started to improve. I started to focus more on the mistakes that I was doing, especially the silly mistakes that I would commit during the examinations. The teachers were also very supportive in clearing all my doubts and teaching me all the concepts very well. The VMC modules and workbooks covered all types of questions that I could expect in the actual examination. The VMC that conducted mock tests and CBTs as well, which prepared me for the actual examination so that I would not become nervous and blank out during the D-Day.
So what message you would like to convey to your juniors that how they should go for their preparations?
So I would just like to convey to them that they should prepare hard. They should not only focus on maths and physics, which students generally do. They should focus on chemistry as well, especially the inorganic part, because it is crucial for them to be prepared with all the topics that are coming in the examinations instead of only the important ones, so that they can tackle any sort of question that comes to them.
Great. Any toughest part you would like to share that your downs were there, कैसे आपने उसको overcome किया?
So one of the toughest part that I faced, that I committed a lot of silly mistakes because I would generally overread a question or misinterpret a question. So in order to overcome that, I started giving more time instead of just hurrying. I would give more time to understand and read the question properly so that I do not commit such mistakes. Another tough part that I faced was that memorizing inorganic chemistry. But to solve that, I would just learn it every day and revise it each and every day, so that by the time exams came, I would be well prepared with it.
So what are your parents' reaction? How they are feeling?
My parents were also very happy. They had not expected so much this percentile, but they are very proud of me and my result. And
what was your percentile?
I scored 99.997 percentile.
Great. Well, Raghav, most of the students were saying कि maths बहुत tough था and you have bang on 100 on 100. So कैसे, मतलब इतनी energy और इतना enthou कैसे आया आपके अंदर? मतलब कैसे आपने maths में इतना top किया?
Maths lengthy होती है तो but if you practice every day, practice all the PYQs and we are thorough with all the concepts, then it is not very much tough to solve the questions that come in the exams.
So practice makes the man perfect. So now Raghav, what are your plans for advance?
So currently I am revising all the topics that were not there in mains but are in advance, especially in chemistry. So I'm memorizing all those chapters, and I am also revising the inorganic chemistry part, which was barely in mains but is more in advance. And I have also started doing all the PYQs for the advance, so that by the time April I can start giving mocks and be prepared for the examination, so that I can score good marks in advance as well.
Great. So fantabulous journey of Raghav is here. So I wish him all the best for your advance and you will shine. Stay blessed.